Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Discovery. And today we are going to learn how can we change the backdrop in Scratch and make small animated game where you can assume yourself to be a cat, a dog, a banana. So we'll just flip your costumes and see what you become and change the backdrops as well. So without wasting time, let's go to the interface. Alright, so this is the interface. Before we start, I can give you a quick illusion of how the outfit would look like. So we had a cat which says, wow, I have become a cat. Then it changes into a banana, and post that, let's wait. It will definitely, something is going to happen. So we have a planet as well. So I did not add a hide over here. In case if I add hide here as well, so my banana will also disappear. So I'll go to looks and add a hide here. So just move down and here you have height. So in case if you add this height over here, so it will hide as well, right? So we'll quickly see how can we create such kind of animation. So what we'll do is we'll keep the code here and we'll try to create our own code, similar code. So what you have to do is you have to take 3 sprites because we are changing 3. We are making ourselves cat, banana and a planet for now. So what I'll do is I have taken a sprite. If you want, we can delete all of this and let's start. Okay, let's do from the starting. So what I want you to do is I want you to select a sprite, like for example a cat. So we have the first cat in hand. Now what we'll do is we'll add our code to it. So what I want is when I press the green flag, my cat should come on the screen. So it will definitely come, need not add a show over here. Now post coming on the screen, what it will do is it will say that hi, I am a cat. So let's add a message block to it which says hi, I am a cat, right? So when you click it, it says hi, I am a cat. Now one more thing what we'll do is we'll also change the backdrop over here. Do you remember adding backdrops from this option? So there were different kinds of backdrops available. So what I'll do is I'll add an event here which will switch my backdrop to backdrop 1. So you have added a first line of code which is say hi, I am a cat for 2 seconds. Now once it has said, what I want is I want it to disappear and change my backdrop to a new backdrop. So what we'll do is again we'll go here to looks and click on change the backdrop to blue sky. But before changing the backdrop, what I want is I want to hide the cat, because if the cat will hide, oh my god, if the cat will hide, then only the new object will appear. So now you have clicked on flag, I am a cat comes on the screen. Now once I am a cat comes on the screen, then your cat is hidden and the backdrop changes to blue sky, right? Now let's add a new sprite. Now what can be our new sprite? Our new sprite can be, let's take Ben as our new sprite. So Ben comes on the screen not when the flag is clicked. I want Ben to come on the screen when I press the space bar. So when I press the space bar, in that case Ben should come on the screen. So when the space bar is pressed, I want to show Ben, but when the flag is clicked, I want to hide Ben so that Ben does not appear on the first page. So when the flag is clicked, it should hide. And after pressing the space bar, Ben will come on the screen, and after that I want him to display a message as well. So let's put a message on the screen which says I'm in space. Alright, so let's try till here. Now when you press the flag, Ben disappears it says, hi, I am a cat. Then your cat disappears and then Ben comes. But now what I want is, since Ben is saying I am in space, so I want to change the backdrop. So let's change the backdrop. In order to change the backdrop, what you will do is, you will add this. Switch the backdrop. So let's see this. Ben should say, let's first change the backdrop, and then Ben should say, I am in space. So let's try it again. Press the flag. When you press the flag, just a second. So when we press the flag, this we can delete. And let's see now. Where did our cat go? This is executing space key. But where did our cat go? So maybe I can add a show button here so that the cat comes on the screen. Let's try this and put it here, and now let's press. So when you press the flag, it says, hi, I am a cat for 2 seconds. It's hidden now, and the backdrop should change to blue sky. So now it says I am in space, and after 2 seconds, your backdrop is changed to blue sky. So why you're not able to see? Because the backdrop is same. So let's make it Arctic. And then let's make it colorful city. And then see. So now when I execute, it says, hi, I am a cat. The Arctic Ocean comes. When you press the space button, then Ben comes on the screen. So in this way, you can change from one position to another, and you can also change the backdrops, right? If you want, you can add sounds, you can add more elements to it. For example, if I add one more sprite, so let's take a butterfly sprite, for example. So we have a butterfly sprite. Again, you'll go to events and let's add an event, which is when the up arrow is pressed, then my butterfly will come on the screen. So show the butterfly. But when the flag is pressed, so again going to events and coming here, I don't want to see my butterfly. So I will hide the butterfly, right? So now let's stop it and let's start executing. One change I'll make, that let's change the backdrop to colorful city here. Since Ben, he will go in space, so let's give him, or maybe he can write, I am in Arctic. So now let's try to execute this program. I'm clicking on the flag button. Now when I'm clicking on the flag button, she says I am a cat. The cat disappears. And when I press the space button, Ben comes on the screen and says I am in Arctic. Now when I press the up arrow, the butterfly also comes with Ben. Now why did Ben not disappear? Because we did not add we did not add a hide button after this. So in this way you can change the backdrops. If you want, you can add a backdrop here as well. Like after this, what you can do is, Ben says I am in Arctic. After that, Ben will disappear, and let's change the backdrop to maybe castle. And when the backdrop is changed to castle, when the up arrow is pressed and when the backdrop is changed to castle, then my butterfly will come on the screen. So now let's execute it. Hi, I am a cat. The cat disappears. The new background comes. Ben goes to the Arctic Ocean, and then you have the butterfly in the new backdrop. So we have added 3 backdrops and three sprites in this tutorial. Thank you so much. In case if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment